Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the calculator and clearing any work. Once done, press mode until comp appears. This ensures standard calculation behavior. Now find the log and ln keys. You're going to use them to change bases. Next, think about what base you want, base 10 or a custom base greater than 1. Keep the target base and your original number in mind. This prevents mistakes later. Make sure batteries are good, so screen contrast stays readable as you continue. You now perform the change of base explicitly. Type log your number, then divided by and log your base. For natural logs, use ln instead. Results match. Once you enter the second log, close any open parentheses. Make sure to use the same log type for numerator and denominator. Do not mix log with ln. Then press equals to compute. If you need higher precision, use the Shift key and set up to increase digits. This helps when results seem rounded. You finish by verifying. Recompute the expression using ln instead of log. Both should agree, so discrepancies indicate input mistakes. If you get an error, inspect parentheses and operators first. Missing a or using times instead of divided by is common. Once corrected, press equals again. If results still look wrong, reset mode to comp and clear memory. Low contrast or old batteries can also cause misreads, so replace them if needed. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.